Today you will learn about the type of equipment we bring to homes to perform foundation repair work. Will we be bringing huge cranes into your backyard? Find out about that and more right here in this video. Your foundation repair project is coming up, but you've never dealt with anything like this and you have no clue about the type of equipment that we bring out to projects. Are we going to be using big drilling trucks, front loaders, and cranes? Or are they all small pieces of equipment that can be carried by hand? Let's dive into it. Our most common repair methods include push piers or helical piers, which require different installation methods and equipment to drive them down to competent soil. But the equipment does share quite a few similarities. Push piers utilize hydraulic power packs, which kind of look like a generator. It's connected to a hydraulic cylinder, or what we in the industry call a ram. The ram is connected to a drive stand that is attached to the foundation repair bracket. This bracket is anchored nicely to your home's freshly manicured footing. Helical piers kind of look like big corkscrews, and instead of being pushed into the ground like push piers, they're torqued or spun into the ground. They also utilize a hydraulic power pack, but this power pack powers the hydraulic drive head or torque motor, which is the piece of equipment that actually does the screwing of the helical pier. With some help of planetary gears in the top of this thing, the drive head converts hydraulic pressure into mechanical force in the form of rotational energy. We also use smaller equipment like jackhammers, shovels, jacks, wrenches, drills, hammers, and a few tools to cut either metal or concrete. If you'd like to know more about what tools your project will need, please contact your project design specialist and they'll be able to discuss in much greater detail everything that will be needed for your particular project. Thank you for watching the video and remember to never settle.